Hey guys, I'm Eddie. So this is a learn how tutorial. So this let's how you to make the glitch. So this is my template. So you're gonna start right here. So yeah, so we're gonna use it right here, the second one. A minute. So you will have to use this like this. Let's see, hold on. It's gotta turn it up. There you go. So it's gonna turn it loud. So here it is just like in the down before. So here it is. So that has you like this, and it's gonna see how like this. You see how you do this? So yeah, like that. Like this. Or you could do like this. Only 2 fingers and the 5 fingers, like with thumb. So here's the like 2 fingers. And here's the 4 fingers. And you use the 5. You use like this, like with thumb. And you gotta put it together. Or you could do it fast enough. So yeah, that's the one over here. So make sure to subscribe for this and you can have more channels. So hitting on it. So watching more video. So goodbye.